Okay, I'm just going to make this a quick video because I know some of you are confused and some of you need help. But I'm just going to go through each step by step and just explain everything that, may seem confusing. So I'm going to start with the displunger. Obviously, you want to go to this displunger link. Oops, that's not the right link. There you go. Alright, so this is displunger. Displunger is obviously a tool running all Discord versions, as it says there. What you want to do is you want to download and then zip. Once you've got the zip, all you want to do is extract it anywhere. So as you can see, if I go to my downloads, then I go to my displunger, as you can see, my displunger is here. So once you've got this open of you extracted it, you want to empty all of this, delete, command. Simple as that. What you want to do after is just npm I. Then after this step, you want to run node displunger, just how it's typed here. Don't make any case sensitive mistakes. Make sure it's typed exactly how it is here. Obviously, I've already done node displunger, so I don't really need to do it. But it'd be recommended, obviously, if you do this for your first time, you're opening Xcode for your first time, you obviously do this. So I'll just do this, just so you know it's not anything bad. Yeah, make sure you keep this command open. Make sure you do not close this because you're obviously going to need this for the local host to work. So keep that open. So the next step would be obviously downloading Xcode. As you can see, the Xcode downloads here. Oh well, I gave a different link because I was changing something, but yeah. So it's this one, just right here. I'll put it in the channel, whatnot. And once you've installed it, you want to extract it. So I've extracted mine in documents and Xcode. So once you've extracted it just like I have, all you want to do, you want to open it. As you can see, it's opening. And once this fully opens, you just want to close it straight away. All this does is just create the folders that's necessary for, for it to generally function and whatnot. So as you can see, I have loaded in, but I've logged in and everything, but you might have to log in or whatnot. But yeah, after you've done that, you want to go to app data. Now that you have app data roaming, you want to scroll down and find Lightcode and Xcode. If you have both of those, you're good. If you have anything like Affycode, Discord, some shit like that, just close it or delete it because you don't need those and it might break up the installation and whatnot. So you want to keep Lightcode and Xcode only. And if you don't have this, you might have to run the old Lightcode, which I will give. And if you do need it, just DM me and whatnot. You want to open this and you will look for settings.json. So I've put in the settings.json here. It is obfuscated. Sorry about that. I know it may seem sus or whatnot, but this is just for someone not to steal my shit or whatever. Claim it as theirs. So you want to do that. You just want to drag it in it and replace it with that. Once you've done that, it'll be replaced. That part is fine. Now, once you've done that, we'll just go back here. Look at the next steps. As you can see, it says here what I've just basically repeated. You want to go back to your Xcode folder, which obviously for me, it's documents, Xcode. And then what you want to do, you want to open up command. Now, this may be a confusing part. So what you want to do, you want to just go back to this path again. You can just, if you have a mouse, you can just do backwards and forward again, or just, click, go back. And you want to copy this path just as it is. What you want to do is, as it says here, quotation mark, paste, quotation mark. You want to do 2, and then you want to at the end add x-code.exe at the end. This has to be in there or it won't work or it won't open as well. Put another quotation mark and then disable web security. Just like that. Now once I've done that, I press enter and it will open up Xcode. So if I just open up to that, as you can see, it's open up Xcode. Now by the way, I'm not sure if you do have to do this web security thing every time you need to open up Xcode. But hopefully from what I've used, tested and whatnot, you don't need to do that. So for now, all you have to do is just make a shortcut for Xcode. Obviously a shortcut here, create one, and then just put it somewhere. And you want to go to your settings, voice and video, just check echo cancellation, noise suppression, check all of that's off. Make sure, just copy my settings, I guess. And yeah, you should have stereo. Again, if you do have problems, feel free to DM me my Discord, shaun7204. I will be helping and wherever. Yeah.